Hey guys, thanks for watching. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can start your Roku TV on any specific input that you would like. So first, we are going to go to the home page, which is where I am, and then we're going to go up to Settings, and then we are going to go up to System, and then we are going to go down to Power. And if you see here on Power is automatically set to the home screen. So in my case, I don't want this to come up to the home screen every time. I specifically use this TV to connect to one of my HDMI inputs, which actually has my cameras plugged in. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on camera. Now, let's say you had a cable TV box or a satellite box or a computer, something plugged into an HDMI port. This is where you could tell it what to go to. You've even got the option for live TV. You've also got an option for the last TV input used. But we're going to go ahead and just keep this on camera. And I'm going to go back to the home screen here. And I'm going to turn the TV off. And then when I turn the TV back on, it's going to boot right in to my cameras, and there's my cameras.